Understanding debt leverage, a powerful tool. Debt can be scary. We get it, but it can also build wealth. Used right, debt is a tool, like a hammer. It can build or harm. That's debt leverage. Powerful, but risky. Imagine a rental property costing $100,000. You put down $20,000, borrowing the rest. The value goes up 5%. Now it's worth $105,000. You made $5,000 on a $20,000 investment. That's a 25% return. But there's a catch. What if the value drops by 5%? You lose $5,000, a 25% loss. Leverage magnifies gains and losses. This shows the power and danger of debt leverage. It's about using debt strategically. In the following sections, we'll explore how to use this tool wisely. Rules for wise borrowing. Don't get burned. Like any tool, debt requires careful handling. Here are some golden rules. First, never borrow for depreciating assets. A car loses value the second you drive it off the lot. Borrowing for a car is like throwing money away. Second, only borrow for investments with a high chance of positive return. A rental property is good, but a risky business venture is not. Third, have an emergency fund. Life throws curveballs, job loss, medical bills, unexpected repairs. An emergency fund acts as a cushion, preventing you from going further into debt. Finally, and most importantly, only borrow what you can comfortably repay. Don't let debt control you. Stay within your means and avoid over-leveraging. Real-world success. Leverage in action. Let's look at Sarah. She saved $30,000 for a down payment on a $150,000 rental property. She rented it out for $1,500 a month, covering her mortgage, taxes, and insurance. Over time, her property appreciated in value, and rents increased. She used the extra income to pay down her mortgage faster. She then leveraged the equity in her first property to purchase a second. Now, Sarah is on her way to building a real estate portfolio that generates passive income, all thanks to smart use of debt leverage. This is just one example. Many successful businesses use debt leverage to grow. They secure loans for expansion, equipment, or hiring, which helps them generate more revenue. Remember, these successes are not overnight miracles. They require careful planning, disciplined execution, and a long-term perspective. The downside of debt. Proceed with caution. Debt isn't always sunshine and rainbows. It can quickly turn sour if mismanaged. Consider John, who took out a large loan to start a restaurant. He didn't have a solid business plan and hadn't anticipated the competitive market. The restaurant struggled and John found himself buried in debt. He eventually had to close the business, losing his investment and facing a mountain of debt. John's story highlights a crucial point. Debt magnifies risk. It's like a double-edged sword. Before taking on debt, ask yourself, what if things don't go as planned? Do you have a backup plan? Are you prepared for the worst-case scenario? Don't let debt scare you away from your dreams. Instead, approach it with caution, knowledge, and a healthy dose of respect. Take control, your journey to financial freedom. Debt leverage can be a powerful tool on your path to financial freedom. It's not a magic bullet. It requires careful planning and understanding of the risks. Educate yourself before jumping into debt-fueled ventures. Use available resources to make informed decisions. Knowledge is power. Read, attend seminars, and consult advisors. take control, and build a brighter future for your family. Start your journey to financial freedom today.